Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. All right, so here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let me show you what's coming in, guys. So let's see. So we have these signs. This one says my sweet. I think all of these say my sweet. Then we have, let me show you all of their wreath decor. So they have this one. Okay, and they're just starting to bring stuff out, so it's kind of hard to show you everything. These are the gnome stakes for the ground. And then, let's see. So they have this love sign here. Okay, they have this love sign there. They have their love tree. I think that's so pretty. And then, okay, so this one says, you are loved. I'm liking those stripes, guys. And then this one says, I'm seriously in love with you. How sweet is that? So those are new, as far as I can tell. I don't think I've ever seen them before. You hold the key to my heart. And this one is really pretty. Okay, and then they have the red heart over there that says, be mine. I like this one. I like it. I like the colors. We've been using so much of the red and the pink. And then I love these with the conversation hearts. Aren't they pretty? So that's what they have here on this wall. This one says magical. Okay, oh, look at this. I love you so much. How cute. Those are olives. That's adorable. Then you have the panda, and then you have the teddy bear right there, and here you have the love metal sign here. And then you have some loose glitter roses, guys, in the red, the pink, and the white. I don't want this to fall. They have the individual roses, and then these are kind of cute. These are nice for like tier trays, maybe vignettes. And then, what is this? Okay, so this is a teddy bear. I don't think I've seen these either. Okay, this is a weight on the bottom with some roses and a teddy bear. Okay, and then these have the hearts, the red hearts. And I don't know if I've seen these before. I don't think so. Okay, I like the picks. Always like the picks, guys. And so if we come over here, this is only some of the florals. I don't know if they have more floral. Yeah, they do. They have some more florals around the store. I like these picks. This one is the pink, and this is the darker pink fuchsia, and the red. Those picks are really nice. Here are the white ones. And sometimes this pink to me looks like lavender. And these are more picks. So here we have some roses. Here they have the yellow ones. And so that's really nice. So I think I'm gonna, and then we have some conversation hearts along the bottom. You know, I don't know if I did show you this. So I like these because it reminds me of a topiary. So I might come back and get that one. Here is the teddy bear that is holding the love sign. And then here, I hope they have more of these trees. So that's really nice. Now over here, they have the conversation hearts. In this particular store, they combine the plus section with the regular Dollar Tree $1.50 stuff. So we have Be Mine, Cutie Pie, and XOXO. So those are really nice. And then look at these decorative balls, guys. They're so nice. I like the white one, and I like the natural color one. Very nice. And then those are the baskets, and I believe these are hanging baskets, and I like the color on the bottom. These are nice. So see how these are $5 in the in this section. All right, so let's continue along this wall right here. So here they have the handcrafted greeting cards for Valentine's Day. And then let's see. So the flour sack towels, this one says, hey sugar. I like that. The bottom one is all hearts. And then we have the LED battery operated lights. And then here are some more of those decor signs. Okay, I like that one. And then here are the vases. So these are really pretty, guys, to make arrangements. And here's the love. Those are nice. So we have some more signs. This one says love is all you need. Be mine. And you're loved. And then this one says love the journey. XOXO. This one says love. And then that one says love. So you have some more up there, guys. Be my Valentine. I like that pink one. XOXO. I like you a lot. And the gnome. I don't think I ever seen the gnome. Okay. So if we come over here, you have the Chinese takeout boxes in the love. The heart. And then you have that kind there. Then here are the paper plates, the heavy duty. Those don't look Valentine though. And then here you have the red napkins and the cups. You do have these little gift boxes, okay, for Valentine's Day. And then you have some of these toys for the kids. You have the window clings, as you can see there. I like this. So these area decor pieces are really nice. All right, so also we have the banner that says XOXO, and then this banner here says be mine, hug me, love. I like that one. And this one says hugs and kisses, and again, those are the window clings, and the one up there says you make my heart pop. I don't think I ever seen that top one. Of course, I can't reach, guys. So here we have the sweet sign, and we have other signs that say love and Valentine. Here we have the tinsel garland in red. Look at the tins. Isn't this pretty? It reminds me of vintage. Then we have this one that has our conversation hearts, and this one that says filled with love, and the XOXO. They have the more tins along the bottom and the bigger boxes along the bottom as well. These are all the stuffed animals along here. And then here are the area little decor pieces that you can place anywhere like that. Sweets for my sweet. And that one over there says Valentine forever. So they do have different ones. Okay. These are the 3 hearts. I think I might have shown this in a previous video when I was at Walmart. So except here, I think they're just slightly smaller, but still it's $1.50. I'm not sure how much theirs were. And then here are the tinsel signs. Aren't they pretty? So for me, the love always be my Val. I don't remember all of these last year. Then you have these little gift boxes. I like these. They're so pretty. And here is the teddy bear tinsel. And then you have some more hearts on this side. Some of the things are not filled in yet. And then you have the gift bags over there. Aren't those gift bags really nice? Actually, these are the tote reusable bags. I love this bow one. And this black one is nice too. And then you have some paper, some tissue, and some regular paper bags. Look at these treat bags, guys. Aren't they cute? All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.